Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create smooth slow motion effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, I'll drag the clip onto the timeline to begin working with it. Next, I'll enable time remapping. To do that, I'll right-click on the FX icon, go to time remapping, and then select speed. There's also another way to enable time remapping. Simply right-click on the clip, go to Show Clip Keyframes, then Time Remapping, and choose Speed. Now that time remapping is activated, you'll notice a horizontal line running through the center of the clip. This line controls the playback speed. To define the section you want to adjust, I'll create two keyframes. I'll hold down the Control key and click to set the first keyframe as the starting point. Then I'll move forward to the spot where I want the effect to end, hold Control again, and add the second keyframe. This way I've marked the exact portion of the clip where I'll apply the slow motion effect. There's also another way to add keyframes. You can select the pen tool and simply click on the center line to set your starting point and ending point. This will create the same keyframes directly on the speed line. If you drag the speed line upward, the clip will play faster. Dragging it downward will slow it down and create the slow motion effect. You can also hold the Control key and click directly on the line to add a point, giving you precise control over where the speed changes. Now let's make the transition smoother. To do that, I'll break the handle by separating the keyframe points. This allows me to gradually ease into the slow motion instead of having an abrupt speed change. If you want to make the motion even smoother, select the direction handle and drag it outward. This will create a gradual speed curve. You can repeat the same adjustment on each handle to fine-tune the smoothness across the entire transition. To make the slow motion even smoother, I'll right-click on the clip and choose Speed Duration. In the window that opens, you'll see a drop-down menu under Time Interpolation. From here, select Optical Flow. This option generates additional frames and gives you a much smoother result. After that, click OK, then press Enter to render the clip before previewing it. And here's the final preview. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more video editing and graphic designing tips and tricks.